earnings season. How could that be? We had 1,000 reporting 2 weeks ago. We had 1,500 last week. We have over 1,000 companies reporting this week. But remember, many companies have gone IPO or SPAC'd into listed companies. And so this is a week when a lot of them are reporting. I picked out 5 names that you should be watching this week out of this big list. Some of these are not the newbies because many of them haven't reported yet, so they don't have good earnings charts. But these are names that we all know that have been hot or not during this pandemic. So let's dive right in. The first one, of course, is Coinbase. Look at this crazy chart. It missed the first time out. It beat big last quarter. It's been all over the place, and now the shares are soaring again. But after all this is said and done, it's still only 7.8% on the year. Can these shares continue to rally here? We're going to see. But this is going to be one that basically everyone is going to be watching. Then let's switch it over to Poshmark. Now, this is one of the IPOs from this year. And you can see, even though they have those 3 beats, it has gone just down. Shares are actually down 77% off the IPO now. Could this be a buying opportunity? I mean, they're basically giving them away. There is no PE because they don't have the E side of the equation yet. But shopping and these online retail portals should do well in the coming holiday season. So this one could be a hidden gem, but we will see. Then we're going to switch over to Fiverr. FVRR is the ticker. You may not know it by name, but this is the site that freelancers use. And as of June, they had 4 million customers in 160 countries hiring freelancers off the site. Look at that earnings surprise record, all huge beats and no misses since their IPO in 2019. But shares are now down 19% year to date because it was considered a pandemic play, a pandemic winner, as everybody's hiring those freelancers while we're all stuck at home. Are they still hiring them? We're going to find out. It does have a PE, but it is maybe one of the highest I've ever seen. 10,551 is the PE because the E is very small. So this is one to watch on the pandemic winner side of things. Then we're going to look at another pandemic winner, Mastercraft Boat, ticker MCFT. They've been around a long time, but during the pandemic, we all bought leisure items, and boats was one of them. We bought boats and RVs. They put together this nice string of 5 beats in a row, but the shares have kind of stalled, even though they're up year to date 14%, because just like a lot of areas, the street thinks, oh, this is over. We're really not going to buy any more boats. And what we saw was peak boat buying. But is it? The RVs are still hot. I'm thinking the boats are going to be too. And these shares are still dirt cheap, trading at just 7 times as that E is soared. So if you're interested in knowing what the consumer is doing here as we head into 2022, this is one to watch. And then we're going to switch it over to one of those hot payment companies. This one, Shift4 Payments, ticker FOUR. They have missed twice in a row, and those shares have really come down now, up just 17% year to date. But maybe the selling is overdone. We're going to see on this report. And as always, I'm going to be bringing you all the hot earnings charts all throughout earnings season. So don't miss a single episode. Get them all at Zacks.com/YouTube on our YouTube channel. And I'll be tweeting out all these charts as well throughout earnings season. So get them all on my Twitter feed at Tracy Brynick. And as always, I'll see you again next time with some more earnings charts.